Right guys, let's just, we've talked about paste whilst obviously being on the course. We've been using most of the courses, obviously the flake paste. The reason being is it's easy for us to strip in between courses, etc. So it's not the most adhesive, all right? It's more of a DIY aspect. What you want is you want a ready mix. This is just a Wallrock one. It's okay, we find it a bit thin, okay? You could use Beeline, Muraspec, Textura, and they come in different grades from their box standard, like universal, to vinyl, to medium weight, to heavy. This is one that we've been recommended. It's a really nice, thick, weighty element. It's a good mix, don't need thinning. This is kind of like the Renner of the paste. So obviously more expensive, slightly cheaper, and then the cheapest. If you're doing a professional job, okay, most of the time a Beeline mid-weight is going to be fine. If you really want to get a good job on, or the weight of the paper is quite heavy and it's quite an expensive paper, go for something like the Renner of obviously the paste. And that's just preference, all right? That's not set in stone, okay? That's just preference.